Hi, this is Sayali from Sayali's Art. Today's video is about coconut shell tea light candle decoration. So let's start. We generally use the coconut and throw away the outer part, but you can use it in many ways. Today I am going to show you one way of using it. First, I have colored the whole inside part with violet color. This is how it looks. Then I have got these dot art pens. You can get it in the local shop. I got it from Amazon. I am going to use them for the first time to do dot art inside the coconut shell. So now let's see how it turns out. You will just need Fevicryl colors and these pens. I am super excited. You can draw anything. It's super easy and fun. If you want, you can clean shave the whole coconut and use it, but I wanted to make it look natural. At some places, as the coconut is not plain, the circles may not appear clearly, but you can still use a zero number brush to cover it. Dot art is usually done on paper or canvas, but still I did not have any problem to use it. Think of a design and just go on. And after it's done, it looks beautiful. If you want to make it permanent, just use a coat of varnish on the colors. I will be uploading few more such different decoration videos too. So if you like to watch my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's continue. What I am going to do is use it to put a tea light candle. It will cover my candle and the colors will look beautiful. It's beauty from waste, so do try it if you like it. Or clean shave it and make bowls for your dressing table, whatever you wish. After it's done, if you think you have done something wrong, you can always cover it with the color. And this is the finished product. Simple and attractive tea light candles for your festival. I am coming with few more such simple ideas. So please do subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you. Have a great day.